come along, don't be late. We're off to the jungle through a magical gate. Then packs ready and shoes tied tight for a wild green journey full of delight. Tall trees whisper, welcome here. Swinging vines wave, have no fear. Sunlight dances through leaves so high, painting gold in the bright blue sky. Roar goes Leo, the Lion King, with a golden mane and a mighty swing. He's not so scary, he loves to play and guards the jungle night and day. Zip zap zoom goes the monkey crew, flipping and flopping with laughter too. They chatter secrets from tree to tree. Bananas for lunch, come share with me. Thump thump thud, here Ellie the elephant, kind and strong and very elegant. She sprays cool water with her trunk. Splish splash splosh, what jungle fun! Parrots squawk in colors bright, red and green, oh what a sight. They sing sweet songs up in the sky as butterflies flutter and drift nearby. Stripey tiger tiptoes slow through bushes where the wildflowers grow. But don't you worry, he gives a grin. He loves new friends, so let's join in. Slither slide goes Sammy Snake over logs and by the lake. He hisses softly, stay air. The jungle's magic driz everywhere. Drip drop drizzle, rain falls down. Leaves wear shiny emerald crowns. Raindrops drum a happy beat. Tap 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 on muddy feet. Then the clouds drift far away. Rainbow smiles across the day. Animals cheer and clap their paws. Nature's magic leaves us in awe. As evening falls and stars peek bright, fireflies sparkle in the night. The jungle